Hey guys, Pierre here from Into Fly Fishing and welcome to another fly tying video. Today we're going to tie Griffith's Gnat, an excellent small midge pattern that catches a lot of trout and works when most other flies in your box won't.
This fly tying tutorial is brought to you by Vixen. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the links in the video description for our full review of their new fly fishing waist pack that's made of high quality light mesh fabric and a premium ripstop breathable nylon shell, which makes it lightweight, comfortable, and extremely durable.
The tools you need to tie the Griffith's Gnat is a vise, a bobbin holder for the thread, a whip finishing tool, scissors, and a hackle plier. In the vise I've got a Hanak H130BL in a size 16. This is a great general dry fly hook with wide gape. I'm going to attach the thread, which is Griffith's shear 14.0 in olive. Just going to attach that to the hook and leaving a gap between the thread base and the eye of the hook. That's where the head will be formed. Now you'll see that I twist the thread counterclockwise just to open it. That just allows it to lie down a little bit flat on the hook shank. I create the thread base to right where the bend starts, and also if you're tying with a hook with a barb, this line of thread that's hanging downwards will intercept the barb. That's a good reference point. So now I just wrap my thread all the way forward to where I started the thread base. The first material we're going to tie in is peacock herl. So here I've got a full peacock herl feather and that I got from a friend, and then I'm just going to pluck off one peacock herl fiber. So I prefer using peacock herl from a full feather, as I feel that they're a little bit stronger and the color is really good. So here I select one peacock herl fiber and I place it right on top of the hook shank, and with a loose wrap I just secure it, and then I give it some securing wraps while going all the way backwards, stopping right there where I ended the thread base. For the hackle, we're using a whiting grizzly hackle. This comes from a neck cape. This is from a bronze neck cape of them. So what I do is I pluck the appropriate feather that's the right size from the skin, and then what I do is I stroke all the fibers back so that most of them stand up perpendicular like that. Good. So now I just clean the base of the stem so that I have something to tie onto. It looks like that. And you'll notice that the feather has a dull side, which is facing you right now, and then a shiny side or a more brightly colored side that's facing you right now. So when the dull side is facing you, pluck off a couple of fibers on the right hand side. Just like that. So what this does is, as you wrap the hackle forward, it ensures that the dull side is facing forward, creating like a parachute effect to the front. Now turn the feather so that the shiny side is facing towards you and lay it on top of the hook shank, and just secure it in place, like so. And then wrap your thread forward and just end right there where you stopped started the thread base earlier, leaving that small gap for the fly's head. Now wrap the peacock herl all the way forward in the same direction that you wrap the thread, touching turns. Just be careful not to break it off. It still is very delicate, so just keep a constant tension and wrap it forward. So, keep tension on the peacock herl and give it 2 locking wraps, and then just 2 more locking wraps like so. Let your thread hang free and just snip off the excess. You can also break off the excess, whatever you prefer. Now, the hackle, I'm going to wrap the opposite direction, the peacock herl, so that the hackle fibers face forward. Till you reach the start right there. Keep tension and just lock the hackle in place, like so. Just one more locking wrap and that's it. Now cut off the excess feather. Now a very crucial part is you don't want these forward facing fibers to obstruct the hook. That's very frustrating when you're on the river. So what I recommend is just pulling them back like so, just expose the hook, the hook eye, and just create a neat head right there. So now you take your whip finishing tool and just do double whip finish right there. Just be careful of those fibers that are facing forward. Right there. Pull it tight. Cut off the excess. And that right there is the Griffith's Gnat. I hope that you enjoyed the video and found it interesting. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to be informed if we release any other fly tying videos. Also, please share this with your friends or fellow anglers, or leave any comments below the video. Until next time, cheers.